Since it was formed under Act number 21 of 2011, the OJK has served as the primary regulator for Indonesia's capital market. Therefore, OJK also celebrates 42nd years of reactivation of capital market. Speaking about capital market, Indonesia Stock Exchange has developed to be better as the time goes by. We can see it based on Indonesia's stock's total issuers growth, and it is presented on the first graphic in our graphic presentation segment. This is Indonesia's stock total issuers growth from 2014 to 2019. The growth is on the level of 25.3%, and the total issuers that had been listed in the Indonesia Stock Exchange reaching 649 issuers. To collect these issuers and to be exchange priority, IDX has exchanges for part development strategy aims to improve the investment environment at the level of individual investors, brokers, listed companies, and the exchange as a whole. In terms of investors, IDX management is working to optimize the investment experience among active investors and increase investment activity. And at the same time, the exchange is in the midst of a long-term strategic project to attract more companies to list on the exchange via IPO and strengthening the brokerage segment. Compared to other neighbor countries, Indonesia is better in terms of issuer growth. Let's check the next data. This is the total issuers growth compared to neighbor countries from 2014 to 2019. Indonesia, as I mentioned to you before, the growth is reaching 25.3%, Vietnam 23.6%, and Thailand only 16.2%. Not bad, right? And if we talk about the total issuers in ASEAN countries, Indonesia is considered as top 5. Let's check the next graphic. This is the total issuers in ASEAN stock exchanges. Indonesia is actually in number... Okay, I'm kind of waiting for the graphic to stop. Okay, in the number 3 actually. The first one, of course, we've got Malaysia with the total issuers reaching 926 issuers. Singapore 740, and after that we got our own country, Indonesia, with the total number of issuers reaching 649 issuers, and after that we've got Thailand and Philippines at the number 5. At the level of the stock exchange as a whole, the IDX management aims to significantly improve monitoring and surveillance techniques, develop new products and services, and continually streamline regulation in order to maintain market stability and growth. And speaking of which, market cap is the essential part of exchange. Indonesia market cap in stock exchange shows increasing progress. Let's take a look at the next graphic for the clearer view. This is Indonesia Stock Exchange growth. In 2018, the number of value in Indonesia Stock Exchange reaching 7.023 trillion rupiah. In 2019, the number was increased and it is actually reaching 7.2 trillion rupiah. And if we compare Indonesia market cap to other countries, the results may be not that bad. We can see that, of course, through the next data. This is market cap in ASEAN Stock Exchange. Yes, we've got Indonesia, Malaysia, Thailand, Philippines, and Singapore. And talking about the market cap in ASEAN Stock Exchange, Thailand holds the first position with value reaching 552.9 million US dollar. After that, we've got Singapore, the number of market cap reaching 523.54, and after Singapore, we've got Indonesia with the market cap reaching 503.08 million US dollar. The IDX is likewise expected to introduce a range of new rules and initiatives in the coming years. Given the country's expanding economy and total population of some 260 million people, there is huge potential for growth in the capital markets. Efforts by the IDX and the OJK to encourage few listings from the nation's stock of unlisted companies have the potential to result in a major increase in market activity. And that's it for today's infographic. We'll be right back after the break.